May budget ba kayo pero hindi nyo alam kung ano ang dapat na bilhin?
May gustong bilhin pero ayaw ng mahal. May gusto kayong gamitin na ayaw ng mabagal pero ayaw din ng sobrang bilis.
At dito sa rainy season na to, hindi nyo alam kung ano ang pwedeng gamitin. Nandito lahat yan sa video na to at kung gusto ninyong malaman, keep on watching. Pasok intro.
Let me work it, let me work it, work it, work it, work it, let me work it, work it, let me work it.
What's up, kabalyeros? Nandito tayo ngayon, nagbabalik at ibibigay namin ngayon ang pinakamagandang impormasyon na inyong hinahanap na para sa 2022.
And what we'll be doing for this video is we'll provide you our top 5 for the budget of 20,000 to 30,000. Ayan.
Pesos.
Yes.
At sa ibibigay nating 5 electric scooters, magbibigay kami ng 3 points each na highlights ng bawat electric scooter na makikita nyo sa video na to.
Huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's get down to business. Dahil dyan, aalis muna ako in 3, 2, 1.
At ayun, nagwawala na. Nagwala lang. Nawala si Miko. La.
Rar.
Pasukan na natin ang number 5. At ang ating number 5 would be none other than the Ronin Alpha version 2.0. At ang first point kung bakit ito ang dapat niyong piliin, kasi lang naman, ito ang Torque King ng entry-level electric scooters. Kaya bakit pa hindi ito magiging isa sa mga options ninyo kung meron kayong budget ng 20 to 30k, diba? So that's the first point for this Ronin Alpha version 2.0. The second one would be its design. Since limited ang budget natin pero gusto natin pogi ang datingan natin, syempre pasok na pasok itong electric scooter na to. Kitang-kita nyo sa itsura niya, napaka-pogi para sa isang entry-level electric scooter. And third and final would be para sa panahon na to na paparating na rainy season, this electric scooter is IPX4 rated. So wala kayong poproblemahin kung sakaling abutan kayo ng ulan sa daan. At magkano nga ba ang electric scooter na to? This electric scooter is priced at 26,999. Nahiyang piso, 27 na. Let's go. At para makita ninyo ang full review, you can click the I button here sa aming full review for the Ronin Alpha version 2.0. At para sa ating susunod na electric scooter, ang ating number 4 to be presented by Miko. Babalik na si Caballero RN in 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
At siya'y nagbabalik at ako'y aalis.
In 3, 2, 1. And we shall now proceed with our number 4 on our list, and that is the GoBoard Titan Mini offered by Scoot. So here are the 3 points that I can give you about the GoBoard Titan Mini. Number 1, maganda ang clearance niya. Actually, for its category, it has the highest, well, if not the highest, one of the highest clearance na meron sa isang entry-level electric scooter. Number 2 is its battery efficiency. Bakit? Kasi 36 volts lang ito. So yung 15 Ah battery capacity niya, kayang tumagal ng mas matagal. Of course. And number 3, splash resistant ang GoBoard Titan Mini. So, katulad ng binanggit ni Bryce kanina, well, this one, pwede rin gamitin sa mga uncertainties ng panahon natin dahil rainy season na here in the Philippines. Magkano ba ang GoBoard Titan Mini? So, the price is 27,000 pesos. And to know more about the GoBoard Titan Mini, you can click the I button right here para mapanood ang aming full review. And with that, let's now proceed to the next one. Tawagin muna natin si Bryce. In 3, 2, 1. Alright.
At ako'y nagbabalik. Ibigay na natin ang pangatlo. In 3, 2, 1. At ito na ang ating number 3 on our list for the 20,000 to 30,000 electric scooter budget list natin. So ang number 3 would be none other than the Raze Aviator XT. Bakit siya nandito? Of course, first point, mga kabalyeros, it has the highest battery capacity sa 5 electric scooters na napapaloob dito sa video na to. So kung galang-gala ka pero limited ang budget natin, pasok na pasok ang itong electric scooter na to dahil ito ang may pinakamalayong mararating due to its battery capacity. Second point would be the color because this is gold. At kapag gold, it always stands out sa crowd. Moving on tayo sa third and final point ng Raze Aviator XT. This electric scooter is also IP rated and its rating is IP56. Mas protected kayo when it comes, again, to the uncertainties of the weather. Umaaraw, umuulan, umaandar ka pa rin. Let's go. Magkano ang electric scooter na to? This electric scooter is priced at 29,999. Almost 30 na iyang piso. Let's go. At para mapanood ninyo ang full review ng Raze Aviator XT, you can click the I button here for our review. At ibabalik na natin si Miko para sa ating susunod sa ating list. In 3, 2, 1. At before ako umalis mga kabalyeros at si Miko ang magpo-proceed ng number 2, kung nagugustuhan ninyo ang napapanood nyo so far, don't forget to click the like button and click the subscribe button as well. Kasama na rin ang notification bell.
Yes, para inform kayo every time na meron tayong mga bagong videos.
Yan. And also kabalyeros, bago natin ituloy sa number 2, meron kaming pasabog sa dulo ng video na to.
Yes, so magbibitaw, keep on watching.
At ako'y mamawala na muna mga kabalyeros.
In 3, 2, 1. Okay, alright, let's proceed with our number 2 on our list. And we have here the Ronin X Mini. What are the 3 points that we have here for the Ronin X Mini? Number 1 is its suspension. Definitely very comfortable. So nagiging known na rin ang Ronin brand for its suspension, which offers comfort. Number 2, for Ronin X Mini, ito lang naman yung pinaka-pogi sa 5 ibibigay namin sa inyo for today's video. So again, siya yung may pinakamagandang build in terms of lights. Ayan, kung gusto mo na medyo eye-catching yung unit mo, then Ronin X Mini is the one for you. And number 3, IP rating ulit tayo. So the IP rating is IP56. So let me just clarify or provide some insights about this one. Well, of course, ang electric scooter hindi talaga suggested na ilaban sa ulan, okay? So we only do it when necessary and when needed. But as much as possible, sumilong tayo, syempre, para maalagaan natin yung ating unit at hindi ito masira. So, what's the price of our unit, which is the Ronin X Mini? It costs 29,999. Nahiya ang piso para maging 30 kyaw. Pero murang-mura pa din, of course. Alright, and with that, pupunta na tayo sa susunod sa ating listahan. Pero before that, tawagin muna natin si Bryce, okay? In 3, 2, 1.
At ako'y nagbabalik mga kabalyeros.
Sakit sa puwet nun, laging paglagapak natin.
At bago natin ibigay ang ating number 1, disclaimer lang ulit mga kabalyeros. We don't recommend riding in the rain.
Correct.
Okay?
Never.
Ibig sabihin lang, you only have to use your electric scooter with this protections kapag inabutan kayo sa labas. But it doesn't mean na kailangan nyo sumugod. Kung galing lang naman kayo ng bahay tapos trip nyo lang talaga mag-ride, huwag nyo nang ilaban.
Yung mga bagay talaga na hindi nila laban. Agad-agad.
Oh.
May tamang panahon para sa tamang bagay. Charot!
Kung hindi para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo.
Aray.
Kaya mag-ride na lang some other day.
Or kung gusto mo talagang mag-ride, sa loob na lang muna ng bahay.
Yun ang pinaka-best recommendation dyan. Kung kating-kating ka mag-ride pero umuulan, edi sa bahay ka na lang muna. Let's go.
Sakyan mo lang yung unit mo, ganun. Tapos i-feel mo na lang.
Yan.
Kung may treadmill ka, mas maganda.
And syempre, idugtong na natin para sa ating number 1. Wag na natin patagalin. Pasok na tayo. Miko, be gone. In 3, 2, 1. Ayan. He's gone. Be gone. Let's begin. Let's go. At ang number 1 spot, mga kabalyero, siguro iba sa inyo alam na number 1 natin. Pero doon sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ito na. Ang number 1 natin would be none other than the Raze Voltaire V2. Bakit siya ang ating number 1 on this list of top 5 20,000 to 30,000 budget? These are the 3 points. First point, ito ang pinaka-powerful na electric scooter on this list because this is the only dual hub electric scooter sa listahan na to. When it comes to uphills, ito ang the best electric scooter. Lalo na kung ang usual route ninyo laging may uphills, this is the best electric scooter for you, kabalyero. Second point, mga kabalyero, ito ang pinakamurang dual hub electric scooter. And last but not the least, ang last point natin, according to the manufacturer, this is also an IP rated electric scooter and this rating is IP56. And to know more about this electric scooter, you can click the I button here for our full and honest review of the Raze Voltaire. And syempre, before we conclude this video, ito na ang pasabog natin for this video. In 3, 2, 1.
So, okay pasabog?
Pwede din. Let's go. At ito na mga kabalyeros, ano nga ba ang pinakapasabog natin for this video?
Of course, ang ating pasabog is our Caballero discount! So, alam nyo na kung anong gagawin. What you need to do is just message us on our Facebook page, that is Team Caballero. Alright, and let us know that you are interested to purchase one of the 5 electric scooters that we just mentioned in this video, and we will give you that discount code.
Yes, hindi lang basta may budget kayo 20 to 30, bawasan pa natin yan gamit ang discount code from Team Caballero. And for our question of the day,
Alright, so sa 5 electric scooters na kasama sa ating video, alin dito ang nagustuhan ninyo?
Write down in the comment section below.
We want to know.
And that's it for today, mga kabalyeros. See you on the next one. Peace. Naman, kitang-kita nyo sa itsura niya
Sa ibon.
And also, according to the mano-mano po.
3, 2, 1.
Ay,
Isa pa.
ba't may delay? 3, 2,
1.
ano yun?
Isa pa! Shoota! Dali!
Oh, di ka naman nagbilang.
Alright?
Write down in the comments below.